Welcome to all. Now we are going to discuss Physical Mathematics DPP 1. So you can see first question on the screen. What they are asking what is the value of sine 300 degree. Whenever you will face like this problem, so you will apply a splitting method. So I can write this sine 300, I can write sine 300 degree, I can write sine 360 minus 60 degree. So you know very well one formula having sine 360 minus theta always equal to minus of sine theta. This is a formula you will apply here. So now this one, okay. So you can write here sine 300 degree is equal to this. You can write here 360 minus 60 degree having here 360 minus theta having. So in place of theta here having 60 degree, so you can write here minus of sine 60 degree. Then what is the value of sine 60 degree? They are having a value root 3 by 2. So this is the final answer of sine 300 degree. Okay, so this is the first question. Now you can see next question on the screen. What they are asking what is the value of tan 225 degree. So again what you will do, you will split this value. So we can split this value because tan 225 degree is equal to tan 180 plus 45. Okay, so you know very well one again formula because tan 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, so this formula you will apply here. So now you can write tan 225 degree is equal to tan 180 plus theta. In place of theta here having 45 degree. So you can write tan 45 degree. So what is the value of tan 45 degree? 1. Very good. So 1 is the final answer. So tan 225 degree is equal to 1. So this is the final answer of this problem. Now you can see next question on the screen. What they are asking? They are asking what is the value of sine 15 degree into cos 15 degree. So you know very well as given here like this question given a sine 15 degree and cos 15 degree. So we having one formula that is a similar to this formula. So we can write here, okay, uh, because 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. We know this formula. Then what is the similarities between this and this? Here sine 15 degree, cos 15 degree, it means angle same. Here is also theta, here is also theta, means angle same. But what is the problem? Here having 2, here not having 2. So we can change this arrangement. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am writing here sine 15 degree into cos 15 degree. So how we can make just like that? So what we will do? 2 multiply and 2 divide. So this value, this formula, it means like this complete values like this will change according to this. Okay, so we can write here sine 2 into 15 degree. Okay, am I right? Clear any doubt? And here 1 upon 2, you can write here 1 upon 2. So now it will be 1 upon 2 sine 15 to the 30. So we can write here 30 degree. So you know very well what is the value of sine 30? Tell me. 1 upon 2. Very good. So final answer having 1 upon 4. So this is the answer of this question. So now you can see next question on the screen. So what they are telling, next question they are asking what is the value of sine 37 degree into cos 53 degree. So they are having a one specific value because sin 37 degree having 3 upon 5 and cos 53 degree having also 3 upon 5, both having same values. So according to question what they are asking sin 37 into cos 53 degree is equal to, so we can place the value 3 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 5. So finally it will be 9 upon 25. So this is a final answer of this question. Now you can see next question on the screen. What they are asking, there is a given one value. There is a given sin theta is equal to given sin theta is equal to given 1 upon 3. Then asking what is the value of cos theta. So we know one relation. What relation? We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. There is a given sin theta. So and asking cos theta. So what we can do? We can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So finally we can mention the value 1 minus what is the value of sin theta? 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 is square. It means we can write here 1 upon 3 is square. So we can write here 1 minus 1 upon 9. It means 8 upon 9. So they are asking, what asking? Cos theta. So we can take the root of 8 upon 9. So it will come 2 root 2 divided by 3. It means plus minus. Okay. So this is a value of cos theta. So you can just solve. This is a very simple calculation. Okay. Now you can see next question on the screen. What they are asking. There is a given one comprehension. It means story types given. It means that some formula given and they are asking some related problems. Okay. Now what given here? Following are the three equation of motion. So first equation of motion given here s is equal to ut plus half at square, and second equation of motion given v square is equal to u square plus 2as, and third equation is given v is equal to u plus at, where s is the displacement, u is the initial velocity, t is the time, a is the acceleration, and v is the final velocity. So according to this given condition, what they are asking, you can see first question, they are asking find the displacement of the particle after 10 seconds. So they are asking displacement after 10 seconds. It means what is given? T is equal to given 10 seconds. Very good. And next given acceleration of given 2 meter per second square. So it means acceleration a is equal to given 2 meter per second square. They are coming from the rest. Rest means initial velocity will be 0 here. Okay. So now what they are asking? Displacement. So we are having one relation. What relation? There is a given s is equal to ut plus half at square. So you can place the value 0 multiplied time 10 plus 1 upon 2 into acceleration 2 and time 10 is square. So you can see on the screen. Okay. So now this will be 0 and 2 will cancel it. 10 square it will come 100. So finally we will get s is equal to 100 meter. This is the displacement of the particle after 10 seconds. So now you can see next question on the screen. What they are asking, this is also very important. They are asking find the velocity of the particle after 100 meter. After 100 meter they are asking final velocity of the particle. So basically what given? Displacement already given 100 meter. After 100 meter they are asking velocity asking. So we know very well initial velocity will be 0. Okay, yes or no? So now we know one relation, that relation having a is equal to also given same value 2 meter per second square. So we know one relation v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Very simple. So second equation, there is according to that given condition. Okay, so you can see that paragraph. What paragraph? That paragraph you can see here. Okay, this paragraph given here. So there is a given second condition, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So now we can apply this formula here. Okay, so we applied and after put the values. So finally we can write v square is equal to u will be 0, initial velocity, plus 2 into acceleration having 2 and displacement given 100. So 100 to the 200 and 200 to the 400. Okay, so now v square is equal to 400. So finally v will be is equal to 20 meter per second. So this is a final answer of this question either problem. Okay, now next question you can see on the screen what they are asking. Very good question. Find the velocity of the particle after 10 seconds if its acceleration is 0. Acceleration given 0, so what they are asking, velocity of the particle asking. Okay, so we know very well because initial velocity of the particle 0 and they are asking value v and there is a given time given 10 second. Okay, very good, and acceleration telling 0, so a is equal to 0. So we know one relation. What relation? V is equal to u plus at. You can see on that paragraph. So now you can see here. So you can place the value v is equal to initial velocity 0 plus acceleration also 0 time 10. So you can solve this one. So you will get 0. So final velocity means 0 meter per second situation. It means 0. Okay. So final velocity is coming 0. So this is given some condition. This is a DPP1. I just started and I am just going to start from basic to high level JEE Mains. So please you can just keep practice. If you having any doubt, so you can make comment below the comment box and we will meet in next video. Thank you so much.